This is feedback module. Here in feedback module, you will get two sub-modules, feedback and feedback report. Here in feedback, you will get a feedback page open where you can create a feedback question for the customers. Like for example, I have created this first only. Now we will create one more feedback message for the customer so that they can answer about the store. Here in feedback form, you need to give the feedback form title like you can give for the customer, okay, and you can give your feedback question. Here in enter your question, you can write a feedback form question for the customer like what you want to ask for the customer. Okay, I have written what if any product, service or features we are missing in our store, like the what the customer's answer will be for that, and you can give your answer type. You can give the single select option, you can select multiple select option also. I will select multiple select option. Here in multiple select option, number of answers that the customer should give, you can select that. And in option input also you can give the answers for them so they can set the feedback about that answers. If you are missing any features, then write yes or else no. After giving this option input for the customer, when you click on create, the title form and the question will be created here and it will be shown here. And what if any product service are missing in your store? If you click yes, then submit it. Feedback form created successfully. You can see here you will get that question which you have created. This is how you can create a feedback form for the customer, and you can see here right hand side the saved questions which you have created for the customers. And in feedback report, here you can see those messages or the customer replied messages for your feedback questions. You can select the date of which date you want to see the reports of the feedback from the customer. And when you click here submit, you will get that feedback report for which feedback question the customer has replied and what he had replied. And you can search the feedback report by question or else by the customer also. And here in feedback, you can see the feedback report of the customer also. How many customers have given feedback for that questions. This is how you can see the feedback report here. And this is how you can create the, and in feedback you can create the feedback questions for the customer, and in feedback report you can see the feedback questions answered by the customers.